Hi there, this is Blake Crispini. I'm your course instructor for American Politics, and I just want to welcome you to the course and introduce you to myself and the course. Uh, this is going to be an exciting semester to study American politics. We have an election coming up, and certainly are living in somewhat unusual times when it comes to American politics, where a number of our institutions are under a bit of stress, one might say. Um, and so this will be an interesting election to sort of see whether it's a confirmation of the country, the direction the country is moving, or indication of the voter dissatisfaction. So we'll see how that plays out this November. Um, I really hope this course will sort of get you excited and interested in American politics and really just give you the tools and basics that you need so that you can understand what's going on and see how you can interface with the system. Uh, some people say they don't like politics, and that's understandable. It's full of conflict and sometimes seems corrupt and somewhat a lot of negativity these days floating around it. But one thing is it's part of our society, and it's certainly drama, and drama has its ups and downs, and it's certainly part of the human endeavor how we try to get along in society and make rules and agreements by which we can live by. So it's really a sort of central phase of the way we interact with others, and I think something that we can either watch as spectators or you can choose to participate in various ways to try to have some impact on the world that you're part of. So in some sense, that's the broader sense of why I'm teaching this course. In terms of some of the mechanics, you've obviously made your way to the syllabus. Make sure you read the entire syllabus, all the details for the mechanics of the course, how it's laid out, how things function are outlined in the syllabus. This is the first semester that I'm using Canvas, so it is a new endeavor for me, which has been exciting. And I think I've come up with a format that should work for you. What you'll notice from the course webpage is that the course is really divided into weekly segments. And each week you'll be given a new week sheet, which is your portal, your entryway to the entire week. When you open up each week sheet, you'll get some announcements. You'll get a list, learning objectives, the things you need to sort of learn. You'll be given the resources, the readings mostly, and perhaps websites that you need to go to or videos to watch. And then you'll be given a list of things you need to do, which are going to be, assignments or discussion groups or perhaps exams. Um, and all the links to the resources and the assignments are on that week sheet. So that is what you kind of go through each week. And I'll put up a new one on the Monday of every week. And the work that's due that week will be due by midnight the following Sunday. So you have 7 days to do a chunk of work. In terms of doing well in the course, make sure you turn in the work. That's the huge thing. Uh, get things done. Don't get zeros. Everything's on a point system. So if there's a 20-point assignment or a 100-point quiz and you don't do it, that's a zero that will bring down your average. So stay on top of it. Um, Make sure you read the lectures every week. It's a PDF lecture. It's basically a written out sort of statement of the PowerPoint slides that I usually use in my live classes. But that is your textbook. There's no textbook in this class, so it's really those lectures that really contain the basic material that I want to hold you responsible for, and that the exams will be testing you on. There's supplemental readings to help enrich what's said in the lecture, and there's sometimes other required readings to enhance the lecture as well. But always start with the lecture. Um, if you need tech help, go to the help button on the left side of your Canvas page. If you have questions specifically about the class or about assignments, if you need an extension, you're confused, you're having a problem, something isn't seem to be working with the site itself, you can always send me a message through Canvas. And anyway, with that, go ahead and read the rest of the syllabus if you haven't already, and go ahead and get started. Welcome. Have a great semester. Talk to you later.